Today I'm going to make an armor for an old-style dress. You know those dresses from the Victorian period had to wear an armor underneath. So we will make an armor for Barbie's dress. For this I will need this wire. It is a wire covered with plastic, elastic, and some fabric. First, I will cut the iron in the size I want the dress to fall and the Barbie doll. I will use this for cut 3 parts of iron. First bigger, the second little smaller, and the third smaller. Next, we will cut 3 parts of fabric in the size of the wire. We will need to cut the strip of fibre to the length of the wire, minus a few centimeters, which will be where we wrap the ends, like this, or close the hands. Hands, a width of another 2 centimeters, so that we can then sew the stem. We will also need to cut 4 more strips of fabric with the length we want the Barbie dress to fall around the body. To do this, we use a Barbie and a measuring tape to take measurements and leave another 3 centimeters in length for seams. So, here, like this, and I will need 25.5 for what I want. 25.5 centimeters. The next step will be to fold the fibre that will cover the wire in half and sew it in the edge. I sewed the edges, and now will use a pin to turn the fabric inside out. I put a pin right here. Now I will use it to turn the fabric inside out. We do this for the 3 strips of fabric. Now we will put the wires inside of the strip like this. Just put him inside. Do this for the 3 wires, hands, close the hands like this. Just close it like this. We can use some type of glue tape to better close the ends of the wire before we sew it. I'll put this in one end and other in the other end. And then we will sew it to close. Just sew it together to close it. The other 4 strips we will fold it like this in 1, 2, 3 and sew it. This is how the wire is after sewing. And now we will cut the elastic in the Barbie's waist measurement here, and then we sew it. When the elastic is sewn like this, we will sew the 4 strips, one here, one here, one here, and one here, around the elastic in the inside. This is how the strips look after we sew it to the elastic. And after this we will sew the wires in the way that one stay behind, the other here in the middle, and the other more here. Now it is here. I use pins to put the wire together to the strips, and I use the measure tape to measure here for this to have the same measurements. Now I will cut the extra and swim this here. This is how it looks after I sew it all. This is how the dress falls without an armor. And this is how the dress falls with an armor.